had some questions about my process of restoring old paint, and I just want to show how I do this. This is the belt guard from a 1942 Craftsman drill press, and the blue on the guard is in pretty good shape once you cut through the crud. So here's how I cut through the crud. The first thing I did was wipe it down as good as I could with just some normal household cleaner and a paper towel. Now I'm going to use a buffing tool and a little bit of compound. The one I'm using is a Festool Rotex 90, but it doesn't have to be a Festool. Any buffing machine will work. Basically, it's a not random orbit, but it's a orbital sander. And a foam buffing pad and some compound. This is the Festool compound, but I have also had really good luck with Meguiar's products. Now, after you buff it, both the Festool and the Meguiar system have a spray liquid that you follow it up with, just a tiny little bit of that, and then wipe off the residue from the buffing compound. And when the video started, this all looked like this. Now the part that I worked on looks like this. Now you can see that there's some skinned and scuffed places there where the paint's gone. It can't, the compound can't do anything about that. You either have to decide that that's not good enough and you're gonna go ahead and paint, or you decide that the battle scars are what you're looking for. The one thing I will say, having done this on a couple of machines, once you get this, once you go over the bare metal with the polishing compound, it is not going to rust, or at least it's going to resist it for a very long time. Because I've got a table saw base that I did this to, that's got some places that are this thin, and I don't see any corrosion on it at all. So that is how I restore old paint on old machines.